Hey everyone, this is Jordan with JCL's Forex, and today I want to introduce a new trading course that I put together called Forex Trading Basics. And this is a beginner's course with the purpose of getting you being anyone who is interested in Forex, new to Forex, ready so that you're able to follow the advanced course that I soon will be putting out. The course will be presented in a four-part series with bonus material to make it easy to follow, and the advanced course is also going to be completely free like this one, and the purpose is to develop you into a trader with a monthly income. The format of the course will probably be something like 31 days to profitability. It'll be 4 weeks, each day with a new daily lesson, and the outcome at the end of that month is that anyone who's serious, I want to be able to get them to a point where they're able to make consistent money in the markets and have a monthly income. Why would I do that? Well, let me tell you a little bit about myself in my trading journey. And I started trading in 2001, and at that point I had my own lease financing business, and work was going well, but I started getting interested in the markets, and it became a passion of mine. And I would spend 30, 40 hours a week outside of work, studying the markets, reading all the books that I can, just absorbing everything from any trader, anyone who would let me, and with some friends, and it was a fantastic time. And after about a year or two, I went on to leave my business and to go on to trading full time alone for myself. And for about a year after that, I went to trade equities at a firm in Manhattan. From there, another firm. And then I left again, and since then I've been trading full time on my own. Once again, actually in the foreign exchange market, which I find to be the most efficient market there is. And when you're trading large size too, the stocks and future markets, they tend to be skewed, where Forex is just an efficient market. And you know what? I was doing really well for myself, and I felt this call, possibly to pursue the priesthood, and I left everything, and I entered seminary, and I was so happy. I loved it, and I was willing to take the vow of poverty. I wanted to take the vow of poverty so that I could be full of charity, and you know what? God's will is always the greatest plan for our lives, and I realized that He was calling me to marriage and family. Now I've been married. Me and my wife, we have our newborn daughter, and it's just a blessing beyond blessing, moving from light to light. And you know what? We live a comfortable lifestyle, and you know what? Money makes things easier. It helps you have a lot of choices. We get to, and we have traveled the world. But we've actually both also gave out time of our lives to serve. We actually met in Bosnia and Herzegovina, where we were both serving together. And my goal is to help as many people possible around the world live better lives. And I instill the values of all those who work closely with me, that you have to give 10% of your trading profits to charity of your choice. Local charities are the best, helping those around the community you live in and build that community. And this is what I'm going to ask of anyone who goes through, this course. And I figured by starting a beginner's course, I've never worked with beginners before or put together beginner information. But the reason I'm doing that is because I feel that by putting together this material, I'll be able to get anyone up to speed where they could take the advanced course. And anyone that takes the advanced course and is serious is going to be able to go ahead and create monthly income. And what I'm asking of you is that you do give back and help those around you, so that we could help everyone around the world live better lives. Now, as far as my own personal goals, you know what? There was a time when I was starting out trading that I thought and believed that having a return on your capital is a phenomenal achievement. And you know what it is, and especially if you're able, to have an 15% return a year. I mean, it was better than that. But that's not why I got into trading in the first place. And over the years, I've been able to go on to achieve, consistent triple-digit gains a year, and I firmly believe in setting goals that you could achieve. It's important because then you could, once you achieve them, you could reassess and set higher goals and keep improving. And now I'm at a point where I'm able within several weeks' time to achieve 4-digit returns. And my goal for the year is to have a 15,000% return. Now, that's unheard of. That's a large number. The largest recorded return in history is just over 11,000%. And I plan on next year entering the World Trading Championship, Robin's Cup, and not with the intent of just winning, but of winning with the highest recorded return on history. And that's really where I'm at with my trading. And my goal back in 2005 was to start a charity called Jesus Christ Lives, JCL's Forex. And, that's to be a self-funding charity that I wish to help many people through. And, with the intent of giving money to those who have taken the vow of poverty themselves, like Mother Teresa's missionaries and charities who help the poorest among us. And you know what? Today, as I'm planning and putting things together and looking at where I am and what I can do, I'd like to make that $1 billion charity. And this is where I'm at, and this is what I'm looking to achieve with my trading. And it's important. You have to first gather the tools and the abilities, and then from there, it's just endless.